Setting the triple strand guilloche border pattern. This is a plain image, plain drawing of the pattern that you're going to do. What it is essentially is like 3 plaits of hair put together. So we're going to have 3 separate strand colours. Now the main things here are these single white centre tesserae, because the strands revolve around them. So what you need is your board, cutters, pencil, glue, your tesserae, plus you need your staff and your square that you've cut from the other instructions. First thing is, get your staff and 4 down, starting in the top left edge. I need a triangle cut there. This is just going to be half of one of the centre tesserae, and just put that there. So 4 down on this top left corner, you've got one of those. Now along the top, just mark where this top line is, the top line of marks on there, and then 4 tesserae down. Put ones in. 4, I'm just going to put the glue down. 4 there. And remember to set these as a diamond shape. There, not as a square, but as a diamond. Now you have these, and they should all correspond to your top line. Get your square, place that there. You can see divided the base, another one, place that further along. I'm not trying to be hyper accurate with these, you don't need to be, just as long as they're roughly in this right place. It's another one. Again there, we got 4 and 4. There. So each of these on the diagonal line are 4 tesserae away from each other. There, there. Get your staff. This bottom line is still the same with these top marks there. Now that essentially is the pattern. Everything revolves around these. Now we need to set the black lines in. This is part 3 on the instruction sheet there. Now what I want you to do is you're going to curve a line round these, and then a diagonal line down to there, down to the bottom row. So just use your glue like a pen almost, using your black. Start with one there, and you might find it easier just to put these one here as a point of reference. Now in the top there, going to put a triangle in, and then just fill in the rest of that line. There's just enough room for a half cut in there. There, make sure you don't push the others out. Now this line here, I want you to repeat there and there. Now obviously these are the ends of the boards where the pattern would normally continue, so look at these and just try to envisage how the rest of them would go. So if we look at this one on the left here, what we've got, centre tesserae, diagonal, there's one, and then you've just got a small triangle, it's a half triangle there. So notice this creates a horizontal line, because there. So continue that on those.